Okay, so right now we're doing a science fair project for which lip balm has the best moisture increase, durability, and lasting ability. So we have 4 of these charts for the 4 lip balms. We have Starface, Aquaphor, Sunbum, and EOS. And then right here we have a moisture meter for to test the moisture. And then over here we have a chart with prices. And then these are the lip balms that we didn't end up using because they were too close priced with the others. And we're going to test the moisture ability for each one, and then we're going to see which one wins. Hi, it's Phoebe again with the result. So basically our experiment was if higher, more expensive lip balms than less expensive lip balms, which one is more long-lasting, more moisturizing, and more average. And okay, so let me show you our charts that we made for four. So it showed our moisture before, with nothing on our lips, then with the lip balm that we did, and this one was EOS, and then we dabbed it with a paper, and then we calculated this. And we blotted with the paper towel, and then we tested the quality of it before and after. And then right here is moisture reading after 15 minutes, and then right here is retailed moisture level after 15 minutes measured from the clock. Before, and then this is after. Mm-hmm. And that's the chart. Now time for the result. Okay, so we have average 1, moisture increase, average 2, durability, and average 3 is lasting ability. Okay, so for Sunbum, the average 1 is moisture increase, got 5%, very good. Starface's moisture increase is 16, really good. EO's moisture increase is 10%. And Aquaphor's is 10% as well. Now for average 2 durability, Sunbum got 3%, Starface got 5%, EOS got 6%, and Aquaphor got 3%. Okay, next for lasting ability. Lasting ability for Sunbum got 2%. For Starface it got 5%. EOS got 5% as well, and Aquaphor got 4%. So the two best lip balms here are gonna have to be Starface and EOS. And the prices for both of them were, for EOS was really good, was $4.74. Starface was $6.99, but it smells really good, and so does the EOS lip balm.